Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to day 12 of virtual learning. I'm going to go ahead and go over some of the topics that we're going to be doing today. All right, today we are going to continue reading Read Aloud from Escaping the Giant Wave. Instead of 10 o'clock, it's going to be at 11 today. So make sure you log on to Google Classroom at 11 to join in on listening to our reading. If you're unable to listen to our reading, don't worry. Mrs. Gomez has the ability to record what she's reading and you guys can watch it at a later time. Or if you want to listen to the chapter all over again, you can go ahead and do that too. All right, so we're starting off with a mindful minute. We're going to go ahead and start our day off with a goodie, an oldie but a goodie. We're going to go ahead and do that shark fin breathing. You can go ahead, I'm pretty sure this is, it's a YouTube video to go do your shark fin. So you can go ahead and click that and do your shark fin video. All right, for math, we are going to be, I'm going to start with math. So for math, we're going to be doing lesson 14-4. You're going to go ahead and click on this video and watch that video first. You're going to have a couple of videos to watch today because we want to ensure that you understand how to do this. I saw a couple of you guys struggling a little bit yesterday with some area. Remember, area is length times width. All right? You're going to be working on practice page 14-4. Record your answers to the numbers listed below. If you don't have all the numbers I am showing here, then just do the numbers that are showing there. Mrs. Gomez goes through, and after I create some videos, sometimes she decides that she doesn't like a number and she decides to delete it. So right now it's showing 1 through 8. Tomorrow it might not be showing all of them. I know some of you picked up on that yesterday. It's just a matter of us fixing it because we realize that some numbers ask you to draw something and then we're like, oh, you guys can't draw anything on Google Classroom. So that's going to be a reason why. A number might show up here, but it might not show up later. After you finish your math work, go ahead and visit Reflex. You're going to be doing Reflex math for 10 minutes. If you guys got to 100, congratulations, and let us know so that we can boost you up to that next level of Reflex. Today, we switched it up. Instead of doing our 8 math facts, we're going to be doing our 3s. So go ahead and click here to practice for your flashcards. Then when I go back up for reading, you're going to continue reading your Fiction Just Right book today. Go ahead and read for 15 minutes. And what you're going to do is type the title of your book here and type the pages that you read. After that, you're going to review the vocabulary words on page 234 in your Journeys textbook. This is the skinnier one. It's the one that if you see the side of your book, it says 3.2. And it's called... These vocabulary words come from the nonfiction story, The Journey. Use the context clues to determine the meanings of each word, and if you can't figure out a word, you can use a regular or online dictionary. What you're going to be doing with your vocabulary words is you're going to use each of the following words in a sentence. So go ahead and create a sentence that has the word survival in it. The other words you have are migrate, accidents, solid, chilly, plenty, frightening, landscape, thunderous, and dramatic. All right. For science today, our next writing unit is going to be learning how to write a research paper, also known as informational writing. During the first part of the unit, we will be teaching you how to research using the internet. While we're Googling different websites for use during your research, we came across this website called Dog Island. It's a pretty cool website if you ask me. It's about an island where people are sending their dogs to live with only other dogs. We found that very interesting. Please explore this website. So you're going to click this website and go around and just see what Dog Island has. All right. Now you're going to answer the following question using the RACES strategy. Boys and girls, please remember to use RACES. You had a RACES question yesterday, and a lot of you seemed to either forget what RACES was or just decided not to use RACES at all. So, do you think pet dogs should be sent to live on Dog Island? Why or why not? You're citing evidence. Evidence can come from the website itself. In the website, I saw this. That's why I don't think dogs should be sent to live on Dog Island, or that's why I do think it's a great idea to send them over to Dog Island. Things like that, okay? Remember to use RACES. A RACES response should be at least 4 to 5 sentences. All right? That's everything for today, boys and girls. Oh, don't forget, to hit your specials and go make sure you do something from your specials. Hopefully it's going to be nice outside tomorrow. I'm not quite sure, or today, because I'm making this the night before. Hopefully it's nice outside today so you guys can get some gym time outside, hopefully. If not, there's always art you can do or some music. I saw a picture of Cameron doing his recorder, so I think that's really awesome. Hopefully we'll talk to you guys later, and I can't wait to see you guys on Google Meets later for the story. Bye!